Hello everyone. In this video, I will compare Cursor, Windsurf, and Cline. When comparing Cursor, Windsurf, and Cline as AI-powered coding tools, each has unique strengths tailored to different developers. Cursor is an AI-enhanced code editor built on VS Code, offering intelligent auto-completion, AI-assisted debugging, and chat-based coding support. It's great for developers who want a seamless AI experience within a familiar environment. Windsurf is an AI-powered code assistant that focuses on improving developer workflows with smart suggestions, code refactoring, and automation. It's designed for those who want an efficient and streamlined coding experience. Cline is a newer AI coding tool that provides real-time collaboration, AI-assisted coding, and workflow automation. It's ideal for teams that need an AI-powered platform for pair programming and project management. In my opinion, if you want an AI-enhanced traditional editor, Cursor is the best choice. Windsurf is great for optimizing workflow and code efficiency, while Cline is better suited for real-time collaboration and AI-driven team projects. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.